Hello and welcome to this video on client-side protection using JavaScript. Today, we will be discussing the limitations of client-side protection and why it is not sufficient for proper input validation. JavaScript, being a client-side scripting language, is often used for input validation on websites. Input validation is the process of verifying user input to prevent malicious or unintended input from being processed by the system. However, client-side validation using JavaScript has limitations. It can be easily bypassed. All it takes is for a malicious user to inspect the page source or use a web proxy to bypass client-side validation. This means that a user could potentially submit harmful data that would not be caught by client-side validation. Additionally, client-side validation only provides a visual cue to the user, but it does not actually prevent the data from being submitted. This means that if a user wanted to submit harmful data, they could easily bypass the validation and submit the data to the server. In conclusion, client-side validation using JavaScript is a useful tool for improving the user experience, but it is not sufficient for proper input validation. It is important to also implement server-side validation to ensure that all data received by the server is safe and free of malicious inputs. Thank you for watching this video on client-side protection using JavaScript.